In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a Microsoft Store app on the desktop. First, clear the view so you can work comfortably. Minimize any open windows until you can see your desktop wallpaper. This makes it easy to land the icon exactly where you want it. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can quickly show the desktop and then come back to your work afterward. But the key idea is simply to make sure there's some empty space visible on the desktop. Next, open the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon on your taskbar or pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. The Start menu is where all your installed apps live, and we'll use it to find the Microsoft Store app you want to add. Inside the Start menu, select All Apps. Depending on your Windows version, this appears near the top or along the edge of the menu. Once you're in All Apps, you'll see an alphabetical list of everything installed on your PC. This view makes it easier to locate the exact app, especially if you have a lot installed. Now, scroll through that list to find the Microsoft Store app you want on your desktop. The apps are arranged from A to Z, so take your time and move through the list until you spot the one you need. If the app belongs to a publisher folder, expand the folder to reveal the actual app icon. When you found it, place your cursor on the app's icon, then click and hold the left mouse button. Keep holding. Don't let go just yet. If you use a touchpad, press and hold with a firm, steady click. You should see the icon lift slightly, indicating it's ready to move. With the button still held down, drag the icon out of the Start menu and onto an empty area of your desktop. You'll notice the Start menu fade to the background as your cursor moves over the desktop. Aim for a clear spot so the new icon has room to appear without overlapping other items. Finally, release the mouse button. A new icon labeled with the app's name appears on your desktop. That's your shortcut. It launches the Microsoft Store app directly from the desktop, so you don't need to open the Start menu each time. You can click and drag the shortcut to reposition it anywhere on the desktop grid. If you ever change your mind, removing the shortcut won't uninstall the app. It simply deletes the shortcut, leaving the app itself safely installed. And that's it. You've successfully placed a Microsoft Store app on your desktop for quick one-click access.